Meaning of gynaecological.
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 Gynaecological. The term gynecological relates to the medical specialty focused on female reproductive health. It encompasses the diagnosis, treatment, and management of conditions affecting the female reproductive system such as menstrual disorders, pelvic pain, infertility, and sexually transmitted infections. Gynecologists also provide prenatal care and manage pregnancy and childbirth. The field of gynecology plays an essential role in promoting women's health and well-being, enabling early detection and treatment of diseases that may otherwise have serious consequences. Regular gynecological checkups are recommended for all women to maintain good reproductive health.